Hello, I'm Consuelo from New Rhythms for Glasgow, and today we're going to make bath bombs. What we need: baking soda, corn flour, Epsom salt or any kind of salt that are good for bath, Andrew salt or anything that has citric acid, food coloring, essential oil, or anything that brings the smell of almond oil, but you can use also Johnson or a bit of olive oil. Something to do with the bombs. You could use also this to make the shape. We're going to use also this exquisite candy. And the last thing that we need is toys for the bathroom. I'm going to do two separate colors, and the recipe it will be split in two. Okay, this color will be yellow and this will be pink. I will put half of the dry ingredients in one bowl and half in the other bowl, and then add the liquid the same way. This is what I'm going to use as a mold, the bowl, and then I will use this as a measure. So as I'm going to split in two, I also split into the wee tapper where I'm going to measure, and I will do half. The recipe is 2 cups or 2 glasses of baking soda. So I'm going to put one in one bowl and one in the other. Epsom salt, and I'm going to do half. And half. I'm going to put half of corn flour here and half there. Citric acid, and we are going to use Andrew salt. Again, it will be half and half. For the wet ingredients, I will use this wee glass and this teaspoon. We will split in two. And then add it very slowly, because if we do it fast, we are going to make the ingredients react. Slowly, slowly. Nice yellow. It's beautiful yellow. Okay, now we have both colors mixed. We need to put it in the mold. So that's a tricky part, because the way to do it is just adding a little bit of one color and pressing, pushing with the hand. That way it will compact, and we'll leave it in the mold for 1 day or so, but after we will take it out of the mold and we'll see that it works, it doesn't crumble. So yeah, I'm going to add the yellow and orange one. A little toy, and we also are going to add explosive candy. Now, the tricky part, put both parts together. So, bonne chance. Yeah, you see? We put a little bit of gaffer tape around and we keep it pressed.
What about an elastic band?
In this case, we have elastic band. So We're going to press it together. Keep it like this for a day, or also you can keep it in the fridge to get a little bit hard. And we are going to test bath bomb number 1. This one has been done beautifully. The smell is really good. I put some geranium and essential oil called Happiness. So the bath is filled up with all the baking soda that is good for the skin, the Epsom salt, and let's see if the present comes up.